iPhone 13 satellite comms sound exciting, but isn't really. Is this the one, can you break this down for us? Or is this the one where I say, hey, that sounds interesting. I don't know anything about it. Can you break it down? And then all of a sudden you just...
No, I read a little bit about it.
You explode. You just explode.
A lot of people, like the headline is really cool. But I don't think it's really that exciting in terms of just usability. I think it is really helpful. Basically, they're making like the iPhone 13 may have a way to contact satellites. If you were...
What about aliens?
No, not yet.
It was when you said contact, I saw Jodie Foster and everything.
Yeah, kind of like a walkie-talkie or like a...
From the movie Contact.
Yeah. Great movie.
Jodie Foster. It's like the tubes and everything and the dad and Pensacola, Florida and all that.
The wormhole.
Saw it in a movie theater when I was younger. It's like...
It was pretty entertaining.
That's what I was talking about. Go ahead, Will. Go ahead.
I lost my concentration.
That was the idea.
Yeah. So I guess in this scenario, the reason why they're building a, iPhone compatible way of talking to a satellite is if maybe you're in trouble, you're lost in like the wilderness or the desert, or you're lost at sea, you're able to contact using satellite.
Sounds
technology.
great. I love it. Why is that not exciting? I like it.
Because I guess most people are not going to use this. Because most people aren't like in the forest or,
Did I ever explain to you that I'm out there?
Well, you're probably going to use it.
That's right.
You're the one getting lost and using it for...
A satellite phone is a special type of mobile phone that connects to satellites rather than cell phone towers. They typically connect to low Earth orbit communication satellites that circle the Earth, much like GPS ones. No matter where you are in the world, there should always be at least one of these within reach at any given time. Interesting.
So instead of like a satellite phone, when you're just trekking in like the mountains or something, you can actually use your iPhone.
Those satellite phones, whenever you see them in military movies and stuff, they always have a huge antenna.
Yeah. So it's actually pretty impressive.
How are they going to fit it in the iPhone?
Well, Tim Cook.
Oh, right.
They got, technology.
I need to stop
Apple.
asking these
Come
dumb
on,
questions. Man. Yeah, of course. They'll be just fine with it. I think I don't know. For me, it's cool. I guess that's always a point you can make, is that not many people will use it. It's fair.
Yeah. It's mainly for emergencies, I guess, in this use case for now.
The Global Star Network has a bent pipe architecture with the brains of the system located on the ground. Thus, the network can be more easily upgraded to ensure that customers always have the most technologically advanced mobile satellite services. I like it. Whatever. I'm not going to poo-poo that one. I like it.
It's just an extra feature. It's kind of cool.
I mean, I guess the downside could be maybe it's using a lot of battery or something, but I presume it will be shut down if you don't need to use it. Mm-hmm. Cool.